Vietnam is a destination you don't just visit, you experience. In this carefully curated 8 days in Vietnam, VietnamTour.in brings together the country's most iconic highlights, from the majestic Ha Long Bay to the peaceful Mekong Delta. With premium 4-star services, private transfers, and thoughtfully designed experiences, every moment flows seamlessly, allowing you to travel in comfort, ease, and style. Welcome to Hanoi, where tradition and modern life blend in a rhythm that feels both vibrant and timeless. Upon arrival, you are warmly greeted and transferred to your hotel in comfort. Take time to relax, unwind, and settle into the journey ahead. With VietnamTour.in, every detail is handled from the very first moment. Begin your day with a comfortable private transfer to Ha Long Bay, where breathtaking limestone landscapes await. Step aboard the Ambassador Day cruise and enjoy a premium lunch as you sail through emerald waters. Explore Sung Sot Cave, relax on Titop Island, and glide through the peaceful Luan Cave. As the day unfolds, enjoy a cooking class and live music, creating a refined, relaxing, and truly memorable experience. Enjoy a relaxed morning in Hanoi before your private transfer takes you to the airport. Every connection is smooth and perfectly arranged, allowing your journey to flow effortlessly. Arriving in Da Nang, you'll feel a refreshing shift from the charm of the north to the coastal energy of central Vietnam. Check in and unwind in comfort. Discover a different side of Vietnam as you explore Cam Than Coconut Village, gliding through calm waterways in traditional basket boats. Continue to Hoi An Ancient Town, where history, culture, and charm come alive in every corner. Visit Phu Quien Assembly Hall, ancient houses, and the iconic Japanese bridge. As evening falls, release a flower lantern on the river. A simple yet deeply meaningful moment you'll never forget. Journey to Ba Na Hills, where the experience begins with a breathtaking cable car ride, gliding high above lush mountains and drifting clouds. A moment that already feels extraordinary. Step onto the iconic Golden Bridge, where giant stone hands rise from the earth, lifting you into a surreal landscape above the sky. Wander through the charming French village, admire the peaceful beauty of Linh Un Pagoda, and enjoy light entertainment at Fantasy Park. Every detail comes together to create a day that feels elevated, elegant, and truly unforgettable. Enjoy free time before your seamless transfer to the airport. With VietnamTour.in, every step of your journey is designed for comfort and ease. Arriving in Ho Chi Minh City, you'll immediately feel the vibrant energy of a city full of life, contrast, and endless movement. Check in and relax as the journey continues. Escape the city and step into the peaceful rhythm of the Mekong Delta, where life flows gently along the river. Cruise through lush waterways, passing the iconic islands of Dragon, Unicorn, Turtle, and Phoenix, surrounded by endless greenery. Pause at Unicorn Island to experience local life up close. Simple, authentic, and deeply connected to nature. On your return, visit Vinh Trang Pagoda, where serene architecture and quiet spiritual energy create a calm, graceful ending to a truly meaningful day. Today is yours to enjoy at your own pace. A final coffee, a last walk, or simply time to reflect. When it's time, your private transfer ensures a smooth journey to the airport. You leave Vietnam not just with photos, but with memories of a journey that felt seamless, refined, and truly unforgettable. With VietnamTour.in, travel becomes effortless, refined, and deeply meaningful. From Ha Long Bay to the Mekong Delta, every detail is thoughtfully arranged with premium 4-star service and personalized care. If you're ready to explore Vietnam in a way that feels seamless and unforgettable, contact VietnamTour.in today and book your 8 days in Vietnam journey. Your experience begins the moment you decide to travel.